In today's video, we are going to show you how to find cookies in Mozilla Firefox. Whether you're troubleshooting a website, managing privacy settings, or just curious where cookies are stored, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, open Firefox and go to the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, scroll down to settings, and then go to the left side area of the navigation and click privacy and security. Now scroll down until you find cookies and site data section. Your stored cookies, history, site data, and cache are currently taking up some space. Although this is relatively small because modern computers can handle gigabytes easily. But over time, it can grow and slightly slow down your browser. That's why it's highly recommended to clear the browsing data, which is going to be an option to choose from the last hour, last 2 hours, or everything to clear up some space if you wanted. I'm not gonna do that, but I'm just showing you some options that you can do. Okay? And of course, you also have an option here to delete cookies and site data when Firefox is closed if you wanted. This is a matter of preferences. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to find cookies in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.